What's up, guys? Welcome to Make Money Mode channel. So this channel is all about like sharing like side hustle as we can money or like exclude income stream and stuff. So today I have another app, so this app is paying you to watch videos, guys. I know like you've been watching videos from YouTube without getting paid, so I think it's time for you to get paid now and stuff. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys this app and how you can cash out on this app. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm on the dashboard of this app, so you can use my link in the description. So this app is both available on iOS and Android phone, so I'll leave a link on the description to guys to check it out. So as you can see, it's like YouTube, guys. You see this develop with YouTube. That's basically your videos here. You can search anything here. Let's see, maybe funny video. And then it'll show me funny videos, you see, and then you're earning. So just like that, guys, you can create your playlist.
Why do you always remind people do not download fake cash game?
Because they will let you complete a variety of tasks. And finally, you can only get 5
running ads here. So and then so yeah, my balance is 0.001 USD. Okay, so let's just click here. Okay, PI instant cash out is minimum is 0.35 USD. ATM is 0.3, Coinbase 0.35. So there's a lot of PayPal. This minimum withdrawal is $1, guys. So if you have accumulated that balance, and then you can click on your withdraw it, enter your PayPal email and stuff. And then you can complete like surveys, guys, like so and even here you can watch like ads, guys, to earn points. Click here to watch. So yeah, guys, I'll leave a link on the description. So that's it about this app, guys. Whenever you got any question, comment, guys. And 0 because they want me to play that game. I don't know, shit. So yeah, guys, that's basically this app. As you can see my dashboard here, like 11% minute to cash out. So cash out is 0.19. So yeah, guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. So if you enjoy it, click the like button and support this channel by clicking subscribe button. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified, So yeah guys, other than that guys, I will see you in the next video. Danko.